Most people trying to make money online with AI never even get their first customer. But what if I showed you a brand new AI tool that you could easily sell for $300 to $500 a month that literally every business can use to make way more money? And you can set this up in just a few minutes. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this step by step. If we haven't met yet, I'm Jared. I've run an AI automation agency for over 3 years, helping folks build recurring revenue with software and AI. In this video, we're going to cover this exact business model, why it works, how to set it up, and what it realistically takes to make $1,500 a week doing this, just like I said in the thumbnail. And don't worry, you don't need any crazy tech skills. There's no cold calling. And best of all, this costs $0 to get started. So before we dive in, we do use multiple AI tools in our agency. If you like me making these kinds of tutorials for you guys, and you want free access to all the tools we use, plus a free video training library I have on this entire business, just smash the like button, share this video with a friend, comment free course down below, and I'll personally reply back to you with a private link so you can access everything absolutely free. All right, so what are we doing? This is a very simple software business model where we set up AI-powered systems for local small business owners where the software works for us 24/7 and the business then pays us month after month for the results. This is called software as a service. However, as great as that sounds, we won't make any money if we don't understand the number one rule in business. And that is, if we want to make a bunch of money, we have to solve expensive problems. So what expensive problem are we going to solve with our new AI tool? Well, have you ever done a Google search and you notice at the top it says sponsored results? Right up here at the very top. Most people don't realize that businesses pay sometimes up to $20 or more for every single person that clicks on one of these paid listings to get to their website. The problem is statistics show that up to 50% of website visitors leave without ever contacting the business. It could be after hours or the website had maybe no immediate way to contact them. This means that over half the money these businesses spend on ads to get website visitors goes down the toilet, along with all the money they could have made in sales. So how do we get paid to solve this? We now have the ability to copy and paste a live voice AI receptionist right onto any business website. You're going to see in real time how customers can now literally talk to a business website right from their cell phone or laptop. No more getting voicemails or being put on hold, or worse yet, sending a message through a website that nobody ever checks. And here's the good news. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, there's over 430,000 new business applications every single month. That's over 10 million new businesses every single year. That means this opportunity is just going to keep getting bigger. And right now, because AI is so new, less than 1% of businesses have this. So say you're talking with your mechanic and you say, hey, I can put an AI receptionist on your website that works 24/7 so you get more customers. Most business owners aren't going to say no to more customers. Now, there's a lot more on client acquisition in the video training. All the scripts and templates we use for messaging are all in there. So if you want those, just comment free course and I'll reply back with that link so you can get everything. All right, so let's see how this works. And then we're going to go over how to get to $1,500 a week. So first off, this installs in just a few minutes on any website. All you got to do is copy and paste this little script right onto the body or footer section of the website. Now, most businesses, you can just email this to them if they already have someone that manages their website, or you can paste it in there for them as part of the setup fee. And we'll talk about that. Now, you can configure any customizations you might want right in the software here on your end, fonts, colors, messaging. You can do all that stuff without ever having to access the business website. Check this out. Now, this is just a template demo that I have here for an HVAC company. So say you land on the webpage here, it's after hours, or you're really not able to make a phone call and you want to get an answer to your question right away. It says, hey, I'm online. How can I help? So we click on this. Boom. Talk with me below.
Hey, thanks for visiting Expert Climate Control. How can I help?
Hi, my heater doesn't seem to be working right.
Got it. I can help with that. Is it not heating at all or just not keeping up like it used to?
It seems like just the fan's blowing, but I'm not really getting any hot air.
Thanks for explaining. When did you first notice the issue? Just today? Or has it been going on a few days?
I think it went out last night. Looks like yesterday was working fine.
Got it. Have you noticed any unusual smells, sounds, or water around the unit?
No, I haven't actually, thankfully.
Thanks for checking. What's the temperature roughly inside right now? Is it getting uncomfortably cold or still manageable?
Right now it's about 60.
All right, thanks. Is this a gas furnace or electric heat pump if you happen to know?
I believe it is gas furnace.
Thanks. Since it's a gas furnace blowing cool air, we should get a tech out. Before I send this over, what's your first name?
Jared?
Thanks, Jared. Did I get that spelled correctly? Jared?
It's actually Jarid.
Thanks for the correction. Just to confirm, Jarid. Did I get that correct?
Yes, you did.
Perfect, thanks. What's the best phone number for a quick call or text if our team needs to reach you?
It's going to be 4843.
Thank you. I heard 483. Did I get that correct?
Yes, you did.
Perfect, thanks. Would you like to schedule a service appointment now or prefer a call back from our coordinator within the next business day to set it up?
If we could schedule now, that'd be great.
Totally. Here are a few options. Tomorrow, November 11th at 8 a.m., 10 a.m., or 12 p.m. Which one works for you?
You can do tomorrow at 10 a.m., have someone out. That'd probably be all right.
Great. I'll set you up for tomorrow at 10 a.m. To book it, I'll need an email to send the confirmation and visit details. Could you share the best email address?
Yes, it's at gmail.com.
Thanks. Let me make sure I've got that right. At gmail.com. Did I get that correct?
Yes, you did.
You're all set for tomorrow, November 11th at 10 a.m. You'll get a confirmation email shortly. Do you need anything else while I've got you?
Nope, that's all.
All right, I've got everything noted. We'll see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. If anything changes, just reply to the confirmation email. Take care.
Thanks. All right, that's crazy, right? Literally like 24/7 live receptionists. All right, so let's say the average sale for the business is $500. They literally only have to get one new sale a month to cover the costs of this AI service. Now, you only have to set this up once, and then you can just duplicate the system over and over with what's called snapshots. We cover those in the training as well. So say you charge $1,500 for the setup. Now, people today are charging way more for AI, but let's just be conservative. Then $400 a month recurring for the ongoing AI service. Once you get 3 customers, that's $4,500 up front and $1,200 a month recurring. As you continue to scale, at 10 customers, that's $15,000 up front and $4,000 a month recurring. No more trading hours for dollars because each new customer stacks on top of the last and your income compounds month after month. Now, for those of you still watching, I want to offer you something special. If you like, share, and comment free course, I will include not only free access to my entire course library, I will also throw in a free one-on-one setup call and a full 5-day free live training masterclass where we go through everything top to bottom to get you set up so you can start making money doing this as quickly as possible. I'll even include an extended 30-day free trial to the AI software. It's normally only 14 days. That way you have plenty of time to get your first customer without paying any money out of pocket. There's a lot of folks that land their first clients before the training is even over. So drop that comment down below and I'll see you on the inside. Or if you want to learn more, watch this live deep dive I did on making money with AI.